This is walnut from a tree that I cut down and milled myself. At first glance, it may seem fairly flat. It's warped pretty severely. So I took this warped piece of wood and attached it to a flat sled, which is just plywood, and just slid these wedges in until they were tight on all four corners. And as we run it through the planer, the high points will hit on the planer, the low points will not be touched. This piece of wood that was left outside to dry and got warped because of it is now almost perfectly flat. And the final result is straight dimensional lumber.